Welcome to Road Warriors. Today, we take a deep dive into the T-72 Ajay, India's indigenized version of the legendary Soviet T-72. For decades, this battle tank has been the backbone of the Indian Army, proving its combat effectiveness across various terrains and conflicts. Its ability to adapt to modern battlefield requirements has ensured its continued relevance in India's defense strategy. India first introduced the T-72M in the early 1980s, renaming it Ajay, which means invincible in Sanskrit. The tank was manufactured under license at the Heavy Vehicles Factory, HVF, in Awadhi, marking a significant step toward India's self-reliance in defense production. The Indian Army sought a tank that was not only reliable but also capable of handling diverse terrains, from the scorching deserts of Rajasthan to the icy mountains of Ladakh. Over the years, several upgrades have enhanced the T-72 Ajay's firepower, armor, and mobility, ensuring it remains a formidable force in the modern battlefield. The primary weapon of the T-72 Ajay is its 125mm smoothbore gun, a powerful main cannon that can fire a variety of armor-piercing shells and guided missiles. This capability allows the Ajay to engage and destroy heavily armored enemy tanks from long distances. In addition to its main gun, the Ajay is equipped with a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun for engaging infantry and light vehicles, as well as a 12.7mm anti-aircraft machine gun mounted on the turret to counter aerial threats and enemy positions. One of the key advantages of the Ajay's armament is its automatic loading system, which increases its rate of fire and reduces the need for an additional crew member, enhancing operational efficiency in combat situations. Protection and survivability are critical aspects of any modern battle tank, and the T-72 Ajay has received multiple upgrades in this area. Initially, the tank featured composite armor, but with the evolution of anti-tank weaponry, it was further strengthened with explosive reactive armor (ERA). This reactive armor system helps neutralize incoming enemy shells and missiles, providing an additional layer of defense. Over the years, India has also equipped the Ajay with improved fire control systems, smoke grenade launchers, and infrared suppression technology, making it more resistant to enemy detection and attacks. These enhancements have helped maintain its survivability in modern warfare conditions, allowing the Ajay to compete with contemporary main battle tanks. Mobility is another crucial factor that determines a tank's effectiveness on the battlefield, and the T-72 Ajay does not disappoint in this regard. It is powered by a V46 diesel engine, producing 780 horsepower, allowing the tank to reach speeds of up to 60 km per hour on roads and around 40 km per hour on rough terrain. Its torsion bar suspension system ensures a smoother ride over rugged landscapes, making it well suited for India's diverse geography. The Ajay's relatively lighter weight compared to newer battle tanks also allows it to be more agile, making it effective in both defensive and offensive maneuvers. The tank's cross-country mobility, combined with its ability to ford water obstacles and tackle steep inclines, gives it a strategic advantage in complex battlefield environments. Despite the arrival of more advanced tanks like the Arjun MBT and T-90 Bhishma, the T-72 Ajay remains an integral part of India's armored divisions. The Indian Army continues to upgrade its fleet of T-72s with better optics, night fighting capabilities, and advanced communication systems, ensuring that these tanks remain relevant in modern warfare. With India's focus on military modernization, the Ajay is expected to undergo further enhancements, extending its service life and effectiveness. The T-72 Ajay has proven its reliability and combat capability over decades of service. Its combination of firepower, protection, and mobility makes it a formidable force on the battlefield. While newer tanks may take center stage, the Ajay continues to serve as a key asset in India's defense arsenal. As technology advances, its role may evolve, but its legacy as a battle-hardened warrior of the Indian Army will remain undisputed. Stay tuned to Road Warriors for more insights into military machines that shape the battlefield.